While reading a new post to one of Improving's internal communities, I saw a request for a talk to one of the user groups we host at our office. This is the abbreviated request. Over the past year, people have been concerned about losing their careers to AI, which has scared some younger developers. The user group leader is considering hosting a talk about having to switch or learn a new programming language mid-career. Is anyone interested in and/or willing to develop and give a talk on this topic? After thinking about it for a few minutes and writing down bullet points with ideas that came to mind that I could share with the group, I volunteered. Days later, while walking on the treadmill, I opened those notes and spent another 30 minutes writing anything that came to mind from those initial bullet points. As I wrote it, I remembered personal experiences changing languages, libraries, and tech stacks throughout my career. I then went to ChatGPT. I sent it the request for the talk and the notes I wrote for it, and I asked it to provide me with 10 suggestions for the title and a brief description of a 1-hour presentation. I discarded 5 of its suggestions. The other 5 were very good, as they gave me ideas for approaching the topic from different perspectives, still using the same content I had been brainstorming. Some of the brief descriptions suggested were also good, and I kept them around. Once I had decided on a title that best suited this user group, I continued the chat, explaining my title choice, giving it the short descriptions I liked, and asking it to create another description using those previous ones as bullet points. After some back and forth to refine the description, I'm ready to send it to the user group so we can start promoting the talk. It's worth noting that ChatGPT did not make anything up. It only used the results of my brainstorming and my directions with what I wanted out of it. It gave me title suggestions based on my ideas and got my creative juices flowing. It cleaned up the text, as English is not my primary language. Let me introduce you to my new talk. Code Fluent, Thriving Through Language Shifts. Learn how to confidently navigate the challenges of adopting new programming languages at any career stage. You can thrive in an ever-evolving tech landscape by focusing on solving real problems, effective communication, and leveraging modern tools like AI. Key takeaways. Focus on problem solving. Prioritize understanding user needs and solving real-world challenges over mastering the latest syntax. Communicate for clarity. Mastering communication with colleagues and through code can ease transitions and improve outcomes. Leverage modern tools. Discover how IDEs, automated tests, and AI can simplify learning and boost productivity. Learn from the community. Harness the power of collaboration, mentorship, and shared knowledge to ease transitions. Strategic growth. Identify when to learn a new language, deepen existing skills, or pivot your focus to stay relevant and effective. This session equips you with practical strategies and insights to thrive through language and technology shifts, no matter where you are in your journey. If you're in the Houston area or surrounding area, join me for this talk on February 3rd at the Improving office. You'll also find free pizza and drinks and be in great company with the Code for AI community. Please RSVP at meetup.com/code4yall, CODE 4YALL. I hope to see you there.